pacho ka NLC osechako ayanga timo nonro ewi ng'ur mochwal gi jodak manodar e lopegi e kinde mana imedo lach mar paw ndeke ma Malindi. Chenro ni mabiro konye tieko weche matudre gi lope geno ni biro tieko ywaruok mosebedo e gedo mar paw ndegeno. E kinde motwak e romo ma kamano, joratije ka pewe ndeke mayudre gwenge makadho wadh nam chumbi e bil gogo. Osingone sirkal biro neno ni ng'ata manodar e lope oyudo ratiche.
Today we are here with the National Land Commission, with the representation of the chair and the commissioners, to receive petitions from the locals who claim to have been evicted as we were acquiring the land. So we are happy for this progress because we want to believe that soon the matter will be fully settled. And
we are going in a systematic way, and we are working closely with KA and the ministry in terms of the availability of funds. And after we've done the evaluations, then we deal with the first phase and complete, and then move on to the second phase. So let me not give timelines now, but I think there is a keen desire to really conclude the exercise of compensation.
The court has sent a decision to us, and it has established that we should proceed and verify who really needs to be compensated and whether they have those interests and those rights. And if there are some who have been already compensated, we need to verify the ones who have not.